This video shows how to install Yanhua MQB75 thumb screw fastened interface board. 1. Find the interface board installation area on the instrument according to the visual positioning mark on the interface board. 2. Find the correct positioning holes of D1, D2, and D3 on the instrument. 3. Align the interface board with the screw fastener holes and D1, D2, and D3 positioning points. 4. Press the interface board down with your left hand, tighten the locking screw with your right hand, the installation done. 5. Confirm again that the interface board D1, D2, and D3 positioning pins are completely aligned with the D1, D2, and D3 positioning holes of the instrument. Yanhua MQB interface board has the advantages of compact size, precise pin positioning, easy installation, pin connection is firm and stable, not easy to loosen, and safer data reading and writing. Thank you for watching.